By the way, sorry guys if it's a little loud in here. I have my turtle filter running, so sorry about that. Look at it. Gus wants to be in the shot. Oh my gosh, he's scratching himself. Hey guys, it's me CG Pets and... Hey guys, it's me CG Pets and... Are you serious? Are you serious? Hey guys, it's me CG Pets and in today's video, I will be cleaning my mouse cage and yeah, a lot of you guys liked my last one and had to clean their new cage because they had aspen in their cage, but the aspen was really annoying and it would keep falling out. Because if you guys can see, this is actually Gus's cage right here, but they have like both the DIY cages that are really similar, and they have the half-inch mesh and the aspen falls right through it, and it's a lot of cleanup. And the Care Fresh, and actually I'd say this time use Clean and Cozy, which is not gonna fall through the mesh. So yeah, I cleaned their cage and they also started to stink a little bit, so it was time anyway. But yeah, I hope you
through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the